Let's talk about skin cancer and also sunscreen, all right? I just want to show you something that I have to be concerned about. I have an appointment to check it out. See this little thing? It's crusty. I don't know if you can see it. It's crusty and it's a little bump. So I've had many things removed. I'm going to show you a picture of something that just happened, okay? This was a basal cell that was removed last month. So you don't have to have these little ugly scars all over. I'm going to talk about how much sunscreen you're supposed to use. Now, SPF 75 is only 3% more effective than 30. So when you are doing your sunscreen, make sure you're using enough. The amount of sunscreen you're supposed to just put on your face is a teaspoon. That's a lot. So I'm going to show you how I handle that issue. And when you have a tube of something like this and you're going away for a week, you better use it all week. It better be done by all week or it's not enough. And if you're spraying sunscreen on your kids, that's like going to the gym and going like this and going, okay, I've worked out. That is not enough to be effective, all right? So what I do on my face after I wash and I put all kinds of serums and all kinds of stuff like that, I always use my moisturizer with SPF 30 that has UVA and UVB protection. That's very important. Okay, then I follow with my foundation primer, which also has sunscreen, okay? And then the third thing is my foundation is CC cream, and that also has sunscreen. So when I do those three things, I'm getting pretty close to my teaspoon, all right? Then, if I'm going to be in the sun, this is new. Mary Kay just launched this, and this is mineral facial sunscreen. You can also put it on your décolleté or anywhere you want, but this is my extra protection. And you know what? When you go in the sun with all that sunscreen, you're still going to get a tan, and it lasts longer. So, sunscreen, be really diligent because the last thing you want is to be taking all this stuff off when you're older.